To cook the green plantain, which is essentially a substitute for potatoes, and I'm going to cook it with mustard and curry leaves. I'm going to pour some olive oil and let the oil heat. The oil needs to be very hot. Sometimes it's easier to use canola oil that can stand a higher temperature, but my preference is olive oil. And I'm going to wait. This is my little spice box, and I use spices from everyday cooking. This is cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and mustard seeds. This is coriander powder, turmeric, red chili, and cumin powder. Okay. Nut seeds to the hot oil, and you can hear them spluttering. A little bit of asafoetaida powder. 1 red chili, curry leaves,
and what is this called that you're doing?
Just stirring the pot. So once the mustard seeds tarka with olive oil, mustard seeds, cumin, asafoetaida, and red chili, and once the mustard seeds stops splattering, I'm going to add some juice before the water. And I'm going to add a little bit of mixture. I'm going to add the plantains. I didn't realize this doesn't have a... Okay, this will also work with green bananas, or you can cook your potatoes like this. Any starchy vegetable. I have added a mixture of cumin and coriander powder, turmeric, and a little bit of red chili. And once this is cooked, I'm going to add the tomatoes and coconut. Stirring the pieces around. As you can see, the water has dried up. And I'm going to add the tomatoes to it now and let it cook down, and after that I will add the coconut to it. We're going to cover it and let it cook.
About how long?
Until the tomato is cooked and there is water in the pan and the bananas are cooked. This is dried, unsweetened coconut powder. And if you have too much of it, it freezes very well in the fridge. And I use it to add oil to the dish, some sweetness to the dish. So if the dish is pungent, the coconut will make it sweet. Alternatively, you can add coconut milk to it or coconut cream. Yeah, okay.